Super kids, welcome to the Library of Curiosities. Curious Keeper here, and I am so excited to have you. We're hosting our very first trivia night here at the Library of Curiosities, and the theme is birds. I am so curious about birds, but the one bird that I am most curious about is the owl. Owls are supposed to be these wise creatures. Why is that? Where and when did that concept begin? And what are owls like in real life? Will you make autumn nature owls with me as we learn more facts about them? And maybe, just maybe, we can even pick a final owl-themed trivia question. Are you in? You are? Awesome. Let's go. First things first, let's go over our super plan. First, we'll gather our supplies. Then we'll go on a nature walk if we haven't already. Then we'll prepare our owl. We'll decorate our owl. And finally, we'll make it super. Here's what you'll need. Items from a nature walk like leaves, sticks, flowers, rocks. An owl template. This is optional. A glue stick, some tape, paper, and other decorative supplies like string or buttons, things like that. Pause now if you're still gathering your supplies. Okay, time to craft our autumn nature owl. Step 1, go on a nature walk. If you haven't had a chance to go on a nature walk yet, you can go now and collect all your earthly goodies. You can even bring a box if you'd like to put them in as you go along. I wonder if you'll see any creatures on your walks, maybe even some birds or an owl, but it's hard to say. Owls are nocturnal, which means they're most active at night, but they do live in almost every habitat in the world. Fascinating. If you need to press pause now to go for your nature walk, you can do that. I will be waiting. Make sure to grab all of the earthly goodies you like. Step 2, let's prepare our owls. If you have the owl template printed, cut it out now. If you don't have the template, no worries. Grab your piece of paper and pencil. Draw the shape of an owl, a round body and head with 2 little ears. You can also draw the eyes and beak as a guide for yourself later. Then, cut out the body of your owl. So, are owls considered wise because of how they look? They have large heads, a flat face, a hooked beak, and wide eyes. Or perhaps they're considered wise because of their excellent eyesight and hearing. If you need more time to draw and cut out your owl, pause now. I'll wait. Step 3. Now that our owl is ready, let's decorate it. Prepare the items you collected on your nature walk. Then, stick your nature items on using glue or tape. Maybe use some pebbles or flowers for eyes. Maybe some sticks for feathers. Totally up to you. Have fun with it. Which owl fact should we use for trivia? Maybe the fact that owls swallow their prey whole. That's right, they just gulp down their prey, which could include mice, insects, voles. Isn't that fascinating? But what does it have to do with being wise? Pause now if you need more time to decorate your owl. Step 4, make it super. Are there any other bits or bobs you want to add? Pipe cleaners? Buttons? Maybe you want to glue your owl on construction paper or hang it up with some string. Do whatever you like to make your owl your own. Get this, I finally figured out why owls are considered wise. It all started with the ancient Greeks. They admired the owl for its night vision, and they associated owls with Athena, who was the goddess of wisdom. Super kids, that's it. That will be our final trivia question for Bird Night. Press pause if you need more time. Wow, look at those beautiful autumn nature owls. They are some of the coolest creatures ever. A real hoot. Thank you so much for learning about them with me. When you're done with your creation, take a picture of it and send it into hello@supernow.com. This is gonna be quite a trivia night. I can't wait to prepare for the next one with you. See you soon.